Hello everyone, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can fix sound and speaker problem in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So if you are facing no sound or speaker not working problem or any problem regarding sound in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus, first of all just tap on settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.